Facts that make ginger shots sound not just beneficial but also intriguing and a bit surprising. 1. Ginger shots give you a natural energy boost without the caffeine crash. It's like a natural espresso shot for your body. 2. A secret immune booster. Ginger has compounds like gingerol and sugarol, which can boost immunity and help fight off colds and flu. Taking a ginger shot daily may keep the sniffles away. 3. A detox powerhouse. Ginger is known for helping your body get rid of toxins by stimulating digestion and sweating. It's like a mini cleanse in a single gulp. 4. Natural pain reliever. Got muscle pain or menstrual cramps? Studies show ginger can help relieve pain, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter meds. 5. Fight nausea, including morning sickness. Ginger is well known for easing nausea, whether from motion sickness, pregnancy, or a night of too much partying. 6. Boost your metabolism. Some research suggests that ginger can increase calorie burn, helping with weight management when taken regularly. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Ginger shots pack a punch of antioxidants that protect cells from damage and aging. It's like drinking a little youth serum. 8. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for arthritis and overall joint health. 9. Improves blood circulation. Ginger is a natural blood thinner which can help improve circulation and lower the risk of blood clots. 10. Nature's digestive aid. Feeling bloated? Ginger can help improve digestion and relieve bloating, making you feeling lighter after just one shot. Subscribe, like, and share for more content.